Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, we are going to explore yung ating GCash app, particularly yung kanilang latest feature na G-Invest, where we can now start investing in the stock market. Not just in the Philippines, but also other countries such as the United States and others. And kung interested ka, please check this video out. Ayun, so excited ka na ba na mag-invest? Teka lang, so buksan muna natin yung ating GCash app kasi dito mag-start yung ating investment, di ba? So buksan yung inyong GCash app and then mag-login kayo. And kapag ka nakalagin na kayo, syempre dapat may pera kayo para makapag-start mag-invest, di ba? Ayan, so assuming meron na kayong pera ay nakapag-login na kayo, click nyo yung show more. And then, nandito sa under Financial Services, yung ating G-Invest na function. Click nyo lang itong G-Invest and kung first time nyo, i-access itong G-Invest, meron kayong mga questions na sasagutan para ma-assess yung inyong risk appetite. And right now, nakapagsagot na kasi ako and tapos ko na yon, so diretso na ako doon sa investment na feature. And kung makikita nyo, meron ako ditong investment. So nag-try lang ako ng isang investment. Meron ako ditong investment na 50 pesos. Ayun, so pwede kayong mag-start mag-invest as low as 50 pesos. So tinry ko lang dito. And tingnan natin yung kanilang mga investment products. So click nyo lang itong View Investment Products para ma-access yung iba't ibang funds. And kung makikita nyo dito, meron ditong 5 funds. Yung tinry ko dito is itong ating ATRAM Peso Money Market Fund. And then meron din silang Global Consumer Trends Feeder Fund. And then Global Technology Feeder Fund. And then Total Return Peso Bond Fund. And then Philippine Equity Smart Index Fund. And kung makikita nyo sa taas, meron tayong risk appetite. So based dun sa mga questions na inansweran ko, then, na-assess nila na ang aking risk appetite is moderate. And kung makikita nyo kasi dito, merong mga risk rating yung iba't ibang funds. Katulad na lang itong Global Consumer Trends Feeder Fund, aggressive yung kanyang risk rating. And then, same goes with the other stock funds, such as yung Global Technology Feeder Fund, and then yung ating Philippine Equity Smart Index Fund. So, lahat ng stock-related is aggressive yung kanilang risk rating. And then, ito namang ating bond fund is moderate lang siya. And then, itong Peso Money Market Fund is conservative yung kanyang risk rating. Okay? And wala namang implication yung ating risk appetite dito sa may investment natin. So, meron lang lalabas dito. So, try natin. Try natin to Global Consumer Trends Feeder Fund. Kasi ito aggressive. So, mas mataas yung kanyang risk rating dun sa aking risk appetite. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, fund risk rating aggressive, and then yung aking risk appetite is moderate. So, try natin na bilihin ito. So, may lalabas dito. Be mindful of your risk appetite. So, ito lang naman yung magiging implication kung mas mababa yung inyong risk appetite dun sa pag-i-investan nyo. Okay, the fund you wish to buy has a higher risk rating. So, pwede nyo naman kasing i-acknowledge na lang yan, then makapag-invest pa din naman kayo, okay? And by the way, itong risk appetite, hindi nyo na siya mababago once na nasugutan nyo na yung questions. Okay, so ayan, hindi na siya na-edit. Okay, so isa-isahin natin itong mga investment products, kung magkano yung past returns nila, and kung saan ito ini-invest. Okay, unahin natin itong Peso Money Market Fund. Meron ako ditong investment na 50 pesos. So, tinry ko lang yan. And dito, makikita nyo, kung i-click nyo to, nandito yung kanyang chart for the past 12 weeks. And kung makikita nyo, very minimal lang yung movement itong Peso Money Market Fund kasi conservative yung kanyang fund risk rating. So, hindi siya masyadong tumataas at hindi rin siya masyadong bumababa. Ayan yung fund picks nila dito nakalagay. Time deposit placements in Maybank, China Bank, BPI, MUFG Bank as of September 30, 2020. Ayan, mga fixed based income itong fund na to. And yung past 1-year return niya is 0.64% lang. So, 0.64% lang over the past 12 months. And ayun, ang minimum initial investment dito is 50 pesos. And then, minimum additional investment is 50 pesos din. Pero itong 0.64%, I will not consider it as the best investment. Kasi kung titingnan natin dito sa GCash app, meron sila dito na save money function. Ito, so click nyo itong save money. And then, dito na-connect yung aking CIMB na bank. So, ito yung aking CIMB na savings. Actually, meron ako ditong 4.79 pesos na balance. And, tinry ko lang kasi siya. Okay? And kung makikita nyo dito, yung kanyang interest annually is 2.60 which is quite higher dun sa ating Peso Money Market Fund. Kaya hindi siya yung the best na option kung mag-i-invest kayo doon, di ba? Kasi meron tayong mga savings account na higher yung return kaysa dun sa ating Peso Money Market Fund. And recently, meron tayong Tonic Bank na nagpo-provide ng 5.25% return annually, di ba? Doble pa siya dun sa ating CIMB na bank. Okay? So, ayun, yung money market fund natin, hindi ganun kataas yung kanyang returns. Okay, so balik tayo sa ating investment na function. So, view investment products and punta tayo dun sa ating second fund, which is yung ating Global Consumer Trends Feeder Fund. Okay, so click lang natin view details. Ayan, so makikita nyo dito yung ating chart is pataas siya. And from 172 pesos, right now, 197.28 na yung kanyang value, di ba? And ayun, kung makikita nyo dito, ang kanilang fund pick, si Amazon, Alibaba, si Shopee, si Alibaba na andyan yung Lazada, and then Sony as of January 29, 2021. And ang minimum initial investment dito is 1,000 pesos, and then yung additional investment is 1,000 pesos din yung minimum. Okay, and kung makikita nyo naman dito, napakataas ng kanyang past 1-year return. So, 108.42% over the past 12 months, diba? Napakalaki no? Nagdoble na yung pera nyo kung dito kayo nag-invest sa Global Consumer Trends Feeder Fund over 1 year, diba? So, doble na yung pera nyo. Pero ayun, since aggressive ito, kung ine-expect nyo na magdodoble yung pera nyo, so expect nyo rin na ganun kalaki din yung mawawala sa inyo, di ba? Kasi aggressive itong fund na to. And masyadong malaki na yung kanyang tinaas. Pero ayun, good investment pa ba to? So tingnan natin. So mamaya itatry natin bumili nitong fund na to. Kasi right now, it's still on an uptrend. So basically, kung mag-i-invest kayo sa funds, tingnan nyo yung trend no prices. Kung makikita nyo kasi dito, nag-start siya ng 172 and right now 197.28 na yung kanyang presyo. So, nag-appreciate yung fund value na ito. And kung makikita nyo kasi dito, ito yung pullback niya kung nagte-trade kayo or nag-i-invest kayo. So, bumaba yung kanyang price dito, di ba? Pero kung makikita nyo kasi, itong susunod na pagbaba niya is 190.34. And kung mag-i-invest kayo, tinatawag ito na higher low, di ba? Higher low siya, ibig sabihin, uptrend itong fund na to. And ito yung kanyang high, so 186.48. And yung next high niya is 200.12. So, higher high naman. So, uptrend talaga itong fund na to. And basically, we want to invest dun sa mga uptrend na funds kasi yung value nito is possibly tataas pa ng tataas. And as much as possible, dapat iniiwasan natin yung mga downtrend na mga funds. Okay? So, ayan, uptrend ito si Global Consumer Trends Feeder Fund. So, later, bibili tayo worth 1,000 pesos. Okay? And yung next fund natin is si ATRAM Global Technology Feeder Fund. So, tingnan natin yung kanyang chart and then investment. So, kung makikita nyo dito, uptrend din yung Technology Feeder Fund. So, basically, yung in-explain ko sa inyo, low, ito, low niya dito, 191.69. And then, yung next low niya is 196.68. So, higher low siya. And then, yung high niya dito, 194.32. And then, yung next high niya is 201.78. And then, meron pa siyang higher high, diba? 203.58. So, higher highs and then higher low. So, that means na uptrend itong fund na ito. Ayan. And ayan, kung mag-i-invest kayo, dapat dun kayo sa uptrend na mga funds nag-i-invest, diba? And tingnan natin yung mga fund picks. So, nandito Microsoft, Apple, Alphabet or si Google, and then si Samsung. Ayun yung mga fund picks nila dito. And then yung minimum initial investment is 1,000 pesos as well as the additional investment. And then yung past 1 year return is 97.31%. So almost nagdoble din yung pera mo kung dito ka nag-invest over the past 1 year, di ba? So ayun yung ating Global Technology Feeder Fund. So later bibili din tayo na to since uptrend siya. Okay, ang next na investment product is yung ating ATRAM Total Return Peso Bond Fund. Okay, and kung makikita nyo dito is downtrend itong fund na to. And ayun, from the chart itself, hindi ako mag-i-invest dito kasi bumababa yung value niya. So for example, nag-invest ka dito sa 127.96. Right now, ang value ng per unit is 124.91 na lang. So basically, bumaba yung value ng iyong investment. And we want to avoid yung mga downtrend natin as much as possible, di ba? And ito yung mga fund picks nila, retail treasury bond, fixed rate treasury notes, and mga bonds kasi ito. Okay? And then, ang initial investment dito is 50 pesos as well as the additional investment na 50 pesos din. And then, ang past 1 year return niya, since moderate lang yung risk nito, is medyo mababa lang siya. 9.17% yung kanyang past 1 year na return. Okay, so we will not invest dito sa ating Peso Bond Fund since downtrend siya. And paano natin malalaman kung downtrend? So, tingnan naman natin yung kanyang mga highs. So, ito, high niya 127.95 and then yung next na high niya nandito sa 127.65. So basically lower high siya and then yung low naman niya, ito low niya 127.46 and then yung next low niya ayan so 125.87. So bababa siya ng pababa. Lower low and then lower highs. Ayun yung downtrend natin. Okay? So hindi tayo mag-i-invest dyan since downtrend. Okay? And then, itong last na fund natin dito, yung ating Philippine Equity Smart Index Fund. Okay? And tingnan natin yung chart niya. So, kung makikita nyo dito, downtrend din itong si Philippine Equity Smart Index Fund. And kung nag-i-invest kasi kayo dito sa ating Philippine stock market, alam nyo na kung bakit downtrend to, di ba? Kasi tumataas yung ating COVID cases. And kapag tumataas yung ating COVID cases, so meron dyan mga restrictions ang government. Like lockdown, di ba? And ayun, yung mga lockdown kasi na yun, nakakapag-hinder siya dun sa ating economic growth. Then basically, yung mga prices ng stocks natin is bumababa, di ba? So ayan, kung makikita nyo naman, 95.98 yung last price nitong ating Philippine Equity Smart Index Fund. And for example, bumili kayo dito, di ba, 108.65. Right now, 95 pesos, 0.98 na lang yung value nito per unit. So, bumaba yung value ng iyong investment. Kaya, ayun, as much as possible, dapat iniiwasan natin yung mga downtrend na funds. And kung makita nyo kasi dito, makakonfirm natin, ito yung lowest niya. So, 98.68. And then, itong next low niya, 95.98. So, low na siya. And then, ito yung high niya, 108.65. And then, yung next high niya, 104.43. So, which means na lower high siya. Lower high and then lower low. So that's basically a downtrend, okay? And itong mga fund picks niya is Globe, si Ayala, si SM, and then si URC. Okay? And then ang minimum initial investment dito is 50 pesos and then ang additional investment is 50 pesos. And then ang past 1 year return niya is 33.05%. Okay? So, nag-gain pa rin siya over the past 1 year. Pero ayun, right now kasi pababa siya. And we want to ride kasi yung pag-angat ng mga stocks natin. Kasi kapag pababa pa to, baka magmura pa yan, di ba? So, dun dapat tayo mag-enter kapag pa-recover na itong ating stock market. Hindi dun sa pababa niya, di ba? Kasi mamaya, bumaba pa to ng bumaba, di ba? E di nalugi yung iyong investment. Kaya, hintayin muna natin na makarecover itong ating stock market bago tayo pumasok dito sa ating Philippine Equity Smart Index na fund. Okay, so right now, meron lang tayong dalawang napili na uptrend, which is si Global Consumer Friends Feeder Fund and then si Global Technology Feeder Fund. So, bibili na tayo ngayon. So, click natin View Details. And then, click natin itong Buy. So, proceed kasi mas mataas yung risk nitong investment na to. And then, you just need to agree on the terms. Okay, so hintayin lang natin mag-load yung ating user agreement. Ayan, so basahin nyo yan, yung ating user agreement. And then, yung ating isang dapat i-accept. So, meron pa tayo isang dapat i-accept. Yung ating funds key information. So, click natin check. And then, ayun, so basahin natin itong user agreement. So, scan lang natin kung ano yung nakalagay dito. Okay, so ayan yung ating mga dapat i-agree. So, click na natin proceed and then magbibigay ito sa inyo ng OTP. So, ayan, dapat i-enter nyo yung OTP nyo. And then, ito, na-receive ko na yung aking OTP. So, enter ko lang yung aking OTP. Okay, so ayan, na-enter na natin ang ating OTP. So, wait na lang natin mag-load. Okay, so ito, makikita nyo dito itatype nyo yung magkano yung gusto nyong i-invest. Ang minimum amount na pwede nyong invest is 1,000 pesos. Okay, so maglalagay tayo ng 1,000 pesos dito, which is yung ating minimum na investment. And then, nakalagay dito, standard order processing time is 4 business days after placement. So, basically, hindi nyo agad makukuha yung inyong investment kapag kabili nyo. May delay pa siya ng 4 business days or yung ating processing time. Okay, so, click na natin next. And then, ito yung confirmation. So, click nyo yung agree. And then, click the confirm. So, makakabili ako ng 5.06 units ng fund na to. Okay? So, click natin confirm. Okay, ayan. So, nakapag-place na ako ng buy order ko. And ayan, magte-text siya sa inyo na you have paid this amount equivalent to the units you purchase, di ba? Ayan, so bumili pa tayo ng isa nating fund na nakita. So, click natin ulit yung ating isang fund na uptrend. Okay, so medyo mabagal ang ating internet. Ito yung ating next fund, si ATRAM Global Technology Feeder Fund. So, bibili rin tayo na ito since nakita natin na uptrend itong fund na to. So, click natin buy and same process, click proceed and then agree with the terms. And then click proceed and then i-receive nyo yung OTP nyo. Ayan, na-enter na natin ang ating OTP and then 1,000 pesos din ang ating bibilihin dito sa fund na to. So, click natin next and then confirmation, click the agree, then confirm. And then, ayun, mape-place na yung buy order. And basically, yun yung ating process ng pag-invest dito sa ating GCash fund. So, ayun, meron tayong a total of 2,000 pesos na in-invest dito sa ating GCash app. And yung investment na yun, babalikan natin siya after a month kung kikita ba itong investment natin or malulugi. Pero overall, magseset ako ng aking cut loss point na kapag ka bumaba ng 1,800 pesos itong aking investment is i-dispose ko na siya kasi baka bumaba pa siya ng bumaba, diba? And mauubos yung value ng aking capital. And using this cut loss, mapoprotektahan ko yung capital ko na up to 10% lang yung aking acceptable na risk na mawala. Okay? So that's all and I will keep you updated regarding the results of our investment on our next video. And thank you for watching and I hope may natutunan kayo dito sa ating video. Thank you!